when you get stuck with EFT, go back and do the 9 gamut, I call it, the retro brain reset, because it has all kind of good stuff. To do that 9 gamut, you're still working on the negative or the problem. And then you stop after you do at least a round and you tap here on your hand and you do some things, and they each have a reason. You hum. I suggest you hum happy birthday. Everybody knows that. Then you count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you use your eyeballs. You can use your finger if you need to. You look to the right, just with your eyeballs. Don't move your head. Look to the left, look up, look down, and then go back to tapping, humming, counting if you don't feel clear. Now, here's why this works. When you're humming, not only are you activating the right brain, you're activating the vagus nerve. Well, the vagus nerve is in charge of the fight or flight, so let's get that going, right? When you're counting out loud, you're activating, of course, your vocal cords, but you're activating the left brain. And the eye movement is crazy effective. EMDR, the eye movement therapy, works with eye movements, but eye movement is so key because the eyes, to me, they're like the compass of the soul. They're looking for more things to clear, more information. Let me give you an example. If your kid went to school one morning and they had on a jacket, when they came home, they did not have their jacket, and you said, "Honey, where is your jacket?" They wouldn't go, "I don't know where my jacket is." They would go, my jacket. Their eyeballs are looking for wherever they left the jacket. So there you have it, my friends. When you feel stuck, I suggest you bring back the 9 gamut. Even if you don't do it perfect, I probably didn't do it perfect, you're doing so much activating and so much clearing. Now, I did this one night when I couldn't sleep because I was concerned about things going on. And not only did I sleep, but I woke up full of fire and ready to go. And I wanted to make this video for you. Now, share this with another EFT practitioner or just someone who does EFT. I think you're going to find if you bring this back in the difficult cases, you're going to get better results. Rebecca Marina, EFT expert. While you're here, subscribe, like, and share this video. Hit that bell, and you'll never miss a video. You'll be in the loop.